Hey there, so a quick little look at this measuring tape that I got from Temu. So here we are, 1 meter or 3 feet measuring tape, made in China. It's got a little keyring attachment there. It's got inches and centimeters, and that's it pretty much. It doesn't have any thing to actually make a hold in place, so that's all you get. I guess if you want to hold it, you just hold it there and measure what you want. So this is very cheap and it feels very cheap as well. Pulling that out, there's this it's not a nice feeling coming out. Plus this is a bit metally type material and it's quite sharp in the edges as well. So when it's pulling back, be careful not to cut yourself. So just giving a quick look around. There we go, there's the focus. So yeah, it's a nice little cheap, it was very cheap actually. You get what you pay for. And yeah, hope this helps.